In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change button color in Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin, how button colors are controlled in modern themes, and how to fine-tune a color scheme so your buttons match your brand and stay readable. First, sign into your Shopify account from shopify.com and open your admin dashboard. On the left-hand menu, open Online Store, then go to Themes. Find the theme you're currently using and open the theme editor. This is sometimes labeled Customize, and it's where all the visual settings for your store live. Inside the theme editor, make sure you're previewing a template where a button is visible, like your homepage. You can use the template dropdown at the top of the editor to switch pages if needed. Seeing a button on screen makes it easy to confirm changes in real time. Now, in the left sidebar, select a section that contains a button such as an image banner. In most Shopify 2.0 themes, button colors are controlled by the section's color scheme. Look for the color scheme option within that section. Try switching between the available schemes and watch how the button color updates instantly in the preview. This is the quickest way to apply a different button color across that section without touching any code. If none of the preset schemes match your brand, you can edit the scheme. In the theme editor, open your theme's color settings and locate the scheme you're using. Adjust the relevant color tokens, typically background, text, accents, and button styles, so the button color appears exactly how you want. As you fine-tune, keep accessibility in mind. Ensure there's strong contrast between the button and its text so it's easy to read and click. Also note that editing a color scheme is global. Any section using that same scheme will inherit your new button color, which is great for consistency across your store. Return to your section and confirm the scheme is applied. Preview a couple of pages and hover over buttons to check both the default and hover states. If your theme includes separate settings for primary and secondary buttons, verify both look good. When you're satisfied, save your changes in the top right corner of the editor so they go live. That's it. You've changed your Shopify button color by choosing a section, applying a color scheme, and, if needed, editing that scheme to match your brand. If you ever want to experiment further, duplicate your theme first so you can safely test different looks and revert anytime.